નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. હેલો સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ, ધીસ ઇઝ પાર્ટ 8 ઓફ ચેપ્ટર 7 Getting to know plants of standard 6th science. In the last part we have discussed about the carbohydrate or starch is produced by the leaves. That what we discussed. The food is produced by the leaves. That what we discussed in the last part. And how to find out whether there is starch is available in the leaf. That activity we discussed in the last part. In this part, we will discuss about many things about roots. So, this is point 7.4, root, in which there is an activity that we will discuss later. First of all, let's discuss about root. So, you should be on the page number 57 in your textbook. Open your textbook. Look at figure 7.13. Who do you think is watering their plant correctly? Paheli or Bujo? And that is why. See, there is figure 7.13 in which Bujo and Paheli both are watering their plants. But can you see, Bujo is watering to the leaves of the plant which is outside the pot. Can you see? Bujo is watering the plant. Yeah, it is okay. But he is watering the leaves which is outside the pot. And Paheli is watering in the pot. So who is watering in right way? Naturally, Paheli. Why? Because we should watering the plant to the roots. That we know. But why is it so? That we will discuss in the next activity. Which part of the plant is in the soil? Let us learn more about this part from the following activities. Now there is activity 6. There is activity 6. First of all, I will read in this one. Then we will discuss the activities such in this way. Okay? We will go for some practicals also. You would require pots, some soil, khurpi, blade or pair of scissors and water. This activity is to be done in group of 4 to 5 students. Select 2 plants of the same kind from an open ground and dig them out with roots. Take care that their roots do not break. Plant one of them in pot A. Cut off the roots from the other plant and plant it in B. Water them regularly. Observe the plant after week. Are both plants healthy? Both the plants are watered regularly, but one is without roots, isn't it? Does this activity help you understand an important function of the root? Let us do and they. Okay. Now let's try to understand this activity through this. I write down. See, actually, what is our aim? Our aim is to show that roots are necessary for the healthy growth of plants. Through this activity, what is our aim? What we want to understand is to show that roots are necessary for the healthy growth of plants. Now, materials required: 2 plants of seeds, and that to be of same kind. It should be of same kind. Then 2 pots with soil, blade and khurpi. Then the procedure we know what to do. Let's try to understand practically. See, Here as you can see there are two plants. Actually both are of same kind. Okay, this one is short, this one is somehow it is big, but two plants I have taken. Now what to do? We will plant both in different pots, but before planting this, let it be like this with root, but I should cut it from here. I will cut its root from here and only stem will be there. Let me cut this. See, you can see from here with the help of this blade I will cut this from here. Okay, so now I have cut it down, roots over here, but what I will do, now I will plant both of this plant in the different pots. Let one of them is A, second one is B. So actually I don't have pot, that is why I kept these two plastic glass. This will do. See, this is to understand, make you understand only. That is why I kept two pots. Suppose, let me give it name. So, suppose this is pot A. Let me write down, this is pot A. Okay, and this is pot B. Okay, so this is pot A and pot B. Now what we will do? We will plant this plant into A with root. Okay, so let me keep over here, and we will plant this plant which is without root over in this one. Okay, into B. Now we should fill it with soil. We should fill it with soil completely, and we will watering this for 1 to 3 days. Okay, so what will happen? What will happen? Let's see the conclusion. What is the conclusion? See, observation. What is the observation? The plant in pot A growing healthily. The plant in pot A. Now, the plant in pot A is with root. It will grow healthily, but the plant in pot B is weak and die. See, actually what happens? In B, there is no root in the plant. That is why it will become weak and it may die within 3 days. Okay. So what is our conclusion? Roots are necessary for the healthy growth of plants. Why? Because see, actually roots used to be in the soil, isn't it? Roots used to be in the soil. Now, from the soil, roots will absorb the water, the mineral, isn't it? And it will go to the stem, and through that stem will conduct the water, minerals to the different parts of the plant. Let it be flower, let it be leaves, let it be fruits. Okay, and this is one of the that function of the root. So, if roots are there, that to be in the soil, then it will absorb the water, and water is essential for every living organism. Let it be plants also. And without water, let me tell you, see, in the pot B, there was a plant without root. That is why what happened? Stem cannot absorb the water. It is not a function of stem, it is a function of root. That is why only root will absorb the water. This stem will not absorb water. There is no root in this one. So this will not absorb the water, and hence the water will not reach to the leaves. That is why this plant will die, and the root wala plant will that root will absorb the water and hence it will reach to the different parts of the plant and hence it will remain, it will live, we can say. And with this activity, we come to know one of the function of the root. Okay, we will discuss some more function of the root in the next part, in the next activity. Till that, try to do this activity at your home and watch this video 2 to 3 times. Thank you. Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.